Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Crusader Kings 3 on your Xbox console. To begin your grand strategy adventure, you have two primary options. You can either subscribe to Xbox Game Pass, which includes the game in its extensive library, or you can purchase the game directly from the Xbox Digital Store. Both methods provide full access to this immersive historical simulation, allowing you to forge your dynasty across centuries. Choose the path that best suits your gaming preferences. Xbox Game Pass is an excellent value, providing hundreds of games for a single monthly fee. Crusader Kings 3 is a prominent title within this collection, meaning you can dive into its complex world without an additional purchase. Consider the Game Pass Ultimate subscription for the most comprehensive experience, offering access across both your Xbox console and Windows personal computer, along with other benefits. It's a fantastic way to explore many titles. If you prefer to own your games outright, purchasing Crusader Kings 3 from the Xbox Digital Store is straightforward. You can buy the Standard Edition, or for a more complete experience, look for the Royal Edition. This version typically bundles the base game with its major expansions, offering many additional hours of content and new gameplay mechanics. Keep an eye out for sales to get the best value on your purchase. Playing Crusader Kings 3 on console offers a unique experience, with its user interface thoughtfully optimized for gamepad navigation. While the game is known for its depth, the console controls are intuitively mapped, allowing you to manage your realm effectively. Take your time with the in-game tutorials. They are invaluable for understanding the intricate systems of diplomacy, warfare, and succession. Prepare for hundreds of hours of strategic fun.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.